You've definitely got Wi-Fi, I think.
I mean, no, YouTube is telling me excellent connection. Okay, so...
Okay.
Oh, there we go. Now it started. Alright, so I just had to restart the stream 5 times in a row. It's the rookie mistake. Hi everyone, welcome to the lab review. Today I'm here with Flame, and we're just starting the stream actually. We haven't done anything before this moment actually. This is the first time.
Yeah. No, do I have to show everything again now?
What do you mean again? This is the first time we're doing this. We haven't. We definitely didn't start the stream like 20 minutes ago just for me to realize that YouTube actually wasn't displaying the actual stream. So Flame, whoa, what a crazy lab. Hi, what are you doing?
Yeah, crazy.
I'm sorry. I'm Flame. I'm so sorry. I'm an amateur.
Down on the spin. Start that.
Okay.
It's clicking, but that's it.
You know,
okay.
We don't have much time, so from what you said, so let's go for it. What's your trust the best bits in your opinion? Your favorite parts of both the lab or the reactions or whatever you consider the coolest?
The fluorescence, the glowing stuff. That's
yeah.
my favorite bit. It's that everything just glows. Maybe you can see it here. Not really. You know, I can turn the lights off.
Yeah, I was about to say, yeah. I really like what you said before, but by the way, like you have fluorescence touch, where basically everything you make ends up fluorescent.
Does this glow? It's not really glowing. The thing is, all the fluorescent stuff, I've made it solid now, so you can't really. This is all the stuff that was like less fluorescent, so you're not going to see much. So, yeah, all my most of it is in this flask, but it's all solid, so it doesn't. It doesn't fluoresce when it's solid.
Yeah, you basically took
this
all the best bits, and
this is like a similar dye. You see, it goes orange. It's nice.
Oh yeah.
This might fluoresce.
Oh, that's quick. That's evaporating quickly.
Yeah, it's going. I actually haven't lowered the pressure below this, but it's I mean, what solvent is this? This is DCM, dichloromethane. It goes quite quick, the dichloromethane. Especially because it's quite hot right now. It's like, I don't know, it's like 22, 23 degrees, which is a lot for the UK. What else do I need to do? Basically, all I need to do now is like clean up while I wait for these, but there's a lot to clean up. Oh, can you guess what this green stuff is?
Do I have a chance?
This was from my separation.
Do I?
You might have a chance.
Yeah, might. Okay, yeah. So it's not too crazy. Okay. I am. First of all, I should mention
heptane. Oh, was I gonna get heptane? Yeah.
First of all, I should mention that I'm not a chemist. I just play one on TV, but at the same time, the skills required to like just look at something and be like, oh yeah, based on that color, I can tell what it is.
Well, yeah. I mean, it's okay. I'll give you a hint. The hint is that it was blue before I added something else. It was blue before I added this. And you don't know what this is anyway. But the blue is your main hint. So it's something that you might know. It's usually blue.
Copper, copper is blue. That's the other thing. Okay.
Yeah, you got it.
Okay. Whoa, I'm a professional. I'm so good.
So what it was I did this reaction, and it's a quick reaction, so it's catalyzed by copper. And you know, copper is blue usually, so I had copper sulfate in there. But the issue is that since I'm making a ligand, right, the ligand likes to stick to metals, and copper is a metal, and so it just sticks to the copper, which I don't want because I want to get the copper out. And so I had to add this, which is EDTA, which sticks to the copper better than my ligand. So it basically just joins all the copper so that the copper isn't stuck to my ligand, and then I could separate this out separately because this is soluble in water and my ligand isn't. So that was it. So when I added that stuff, it went like green instead of blue.
So basically, you wanted copper sulfate, except you didn't want your ligand. So that is still copper sulfate, except
so I used the copper sulfate for my reaction, but I've now done the reaction, and I needed to separate it out afterwards.
I see. Okay, I get it.
So yeah, it was a catalyst. Yeah.
Oh, so you basically wanted copper sulfate to be a catalyst and not like actually stick to the ligand. Did I get that right?
Well, okay, so it was a catalyst in my reaction, but then after I finished the reaction, I had to get it out, and that was how I got it out.
I
So
see.
it's not. It's
Okay.
like it's step by
It's all
step.
clear
You
now.
know. Do I need? What do I need? I need to get a heptane for this. Right now, once this is dry, I'm gonna add heptane because it dissolves one of my starting materials,
That's going so
but
quickly.
not my product. And so, I can probably. Is it still going? It's not doing much. It's
I
just
just
solvent in
spent
here.
like a week concentrating sulfuric acid, and so it's just so impressive to see a solvent like got this quickly, you know.
I was using sulfuric acid too. It's the worst one, methane sulfonic acid, for for making this dye.
And I even
It's
know
a
what
bit
it
of a
is
nasty
now.
one. Methane sulfonic acid. I think it's basically sulfuric acid, but just with a methyl,
Yeah.
like a CH3 on it. Not much
That
else.
that does sound unpleasant.
I don't know what. Like, there's a lot of stuff in here. This is like a UV box because you have chromatography plates. No, you can't see. That's a UV box. It shines really strong UV light. So if you put your hand in there, you get skin cancer. So that's cool. This, put your hand in this, it detaches your bones
Oh.
from your ligaments. I think something like that. Because this is it's a sonicator.
It sounds like it would, honestly.
Yeah. Basically, it's when you've got like solids stuck inside something and you want to dissolve it. You stick it in this, and this is really, really fast vibrations through the water,
Oh, that's
and
so
so it makes
sick.
everything vibrate really quick.
Oh, that's so cool.
And it makes all your solids break down.
Okay, that's my favorite
But
piece
obviously,
of
it
equipment
makes
so
your
far.
bones like detach from whatever. It's not good for you.
So two
Stick your
things.
hand
First
in
of all,
there.
that's my favorite piece of equipment so far, and second of all, it sounds so cartoonishly evil and so cartoonishly dangerous.
Yeah, the bone deglover. Yeah.
Yeah. Rotary evaporation fast most of the times. I mean, we can literally see in this case.
This is some side product. What was this? That was O2. Trying to remember what this was. Oh, I think I used half of that for my reaction and just didn't need the other half. Yeah, there's not much for me to do other than clean up, which I kind of need to get done. But I'm waiting for this to rotate up anyway, so it's all right. It's almost gone. It's down to 300.
I mean, no, I don't want to distract you. If you gotta clean up.
No, it's all right.
Okay. I just want to make sure.
This
because...
is going way faster. This
my
was
goodness.
diethyl ether, so this one's gone quick.
Wait,
is it fluorescent?
that
It
was
shouldn't be.
liquid like minutes ago.
Actually, it should be. Maybe. I don't know.
Wait, hold on. So
what else can I show you?
the things you're making as a fluid, they're fluorescent, but as a solid, they're no longer fluorescent.
Yeah, as a solid, they tend to not be. Some stuff is fluorescent when it's a solid. Like
is there an
like
interesting
this stuff is solid and it is fluorescent.
Is there an interesting reason for it, or is it just witchcraft?
It's all to do with electronic states when you've got solvent particles surrounding your molecules.
I see. So
But it's yeah, I don't know the details because it's a bunch of maths basically.
The point is, we got a solid which is fluorescent with orange color, and that's good enough.
Yeah. Yeah. Lots of death hazard symbols. Everything tells you. I'm about to use this. I don't know why. This is heptane, so it's not actually that bad for you, but it's got some hexane in it, so
it's not actually.
That's why it's got the hazard symbols. Yeah, I mean heptane's fine. Basically, things like butane, pentane, and heptane are all fine, but hexane is the one bad one because I think it's there's a thing in your body that is really similar to hexane, and so if you get this, it kind of
Oh, I didn't know
ruins
that.
a
I
lot of
always
stuff in your body.
thought of hexane as just benzene light, honestly. I had no idea those were like toxic this way.
Yeah, hexane is quite bad for you.
I think that solid.
What else can I show you?
What's swapping? Hi, the ninja, by the way.
I haven't used any of this stuff. This is what's this? This was the UV vis spectrometer. This is the IR spec. Got glove boxes over here where you can do like a bunch of stuff in.
Wait, you re-stick them out when you're done. That looks so silly.
Huh?
You just pull them out when you're done. It just.
Oh yeah, because the gloves are like attached to the thing. Yeah.
I mean, I know they're attached. It just looks so. I mean, okay.
Yeah.
So much safety equipment.
Yeah.
I'm not saying I'm jealous. But, you know, I am.
It is a proper like first class lab.
I mean,
although these fumes are really old, but you know,
it's incredible. Basically,
we've got a lot of solvents and things. These are all salts on here. There's hydrochloric acid, our favorite. Salts, drying agents on here like sodium sulfate. Deuterated solvents for the NMR because NMR doesn't work. The NMR picks up protons, like hydrogen atoms, and so you use deuterated solvents because it replaces the hydrogen with deuterium, which doesn't. It has a different spin, so it doesn't pick it up.
That's really cool, actually.
These are all things I made that I haven't chucked away yet. So some are pink, some are red, some are orange for some reason. You might be able to see the fluorescence on these. Where did I leave the torch? There's the torch.
This lab is so incredible.
You can see some of this is glowing. Maybe. I don't know if you can see it.
Yeah, I think orange.
It's kind of hard to tell. It's hard to tell.
I think the last one seemed like it was glowing, or maybe I'm just delusional.
Yeah, there's a lot of stuff here. I do kind of need to go though because I need to.
That's absolutely fine. I mean, thank you so much for that.
Yeah, I need to hurry this up. Yeah,
it's more than fine.
I just wanted to show off a few things because it is quite cool.
It is really
There's
cool.
There's a lot going on.
It's really cool.
Oh, have a look at this one. Have a look at this one. I made this one.
Oh hell yeah!
That's a nice one.
Oh hell! You waited this so long to just show it off. That's actually a really nice glow. That looks like what your professor made, actually.
Well, this was actually my first dye reaction, but it kind of failed. So it was meant to be fluorescent orange, but one of the components is fluorescent green, and so it just does this.
I love how you basically have fluorescence touch, so you know even if you screw something up, it's still gonna be fluorescent.
Yeah. Even if it's meant to be fluorescent red, it just becomes fluorescent green or something.
Yeah, it has to say fluorescent.
Yeah. But yeah, I kind of need to go. I think.
Okay, it's more than fine. Thank you so much, Flynn. Listen, if you switch to a different lab, or even if you just happen in the future to be in the same lab, you know, because if I do remember correctly,
I won't be in this lab because the professor's actually leaving the uni after. But I'm probably doing photochemistry for my project in starting like October. So that would be laser stuff.
Well, then feel free to hijack the stream anytime you want because this is awesome.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Then
I think that's it for today.
Yeah, I won't see you for any time more. Well, thank you so much for the tour and good luck.
Yeah, no worries. I'll see you whenever. Have a good stream. Bye.
All right, bye. And hello everyone else. Hi there, Pandi. Hi there, Calvo. Hi there, Caleb. Hi the 6A, hi. Hello everyone, welcome. And today we'll be making a new... It feels bad, honestly, to switch from Flame showing on his lab to me making a 3D Make It, you know? It's a bit of a switch. How is everyone doing on this fine evening, morning, or noon, whenever you're watching this? Well, let's pick some music. This feels dry. Can't be left alone on the stream. I'm not entertaining. Oh, that was so cool. That was so cool. I really wish Flame hijacks the stream some more. In the future, I might set up I don't want to send my own lab at this point. Might do it in the future. Need a bit more funding to actually fill it with machines that are actually useful. It's like watching... I found watching kitty cat race. I mean, you're not exactly wrong there, Caldwell, to be honest. You're not wrong. It is a different league, alright? I am... Flame is a chemist. I play one on TV. Doing alright, how would you use that? I'm really well. I'm Joshua, by the way. Oh, I see, okay. Yo, make it. Mr. B situation got worse. I don't care. We're here to do science in 3 dimensions, no drama. Speaking of, let's make some science in 3D. Yeah, well, we also might do some... I do have to research relativity some more. We might end the live stream with that. I don't know, we'll see. But first things first. We have things to do, like... Another 100 days ago. I remember, don't worry, I remember. Where's the template? That's the template. There we go. That's the make it template, if I'm not mistaken. And today, oh, I just remembered what make it will be making today. Buckle up, everyone. Hi there, Conan. Of course I remember. Y'all think I forget your more than I actually do. Arjun, you need more faith in me. Of course I remember. Anyhow. Today's make it is gonna be fun. This really is a switch from F1 to, you know, watching Kid Race, because today we'll... Okay, so we have this thing where every 10 days we make a new make in the corner. As you can see right now, we have this, which is minor make it. Hi, everyone. You can't exactly see it, but I'm holding a shovel. And today, space make it, right? Well, not quite. Coand, basically every 10 days we switch up the make it's. And patrons get to decide what the new make it should look like. And Coand voted for a space make it. That was Coand's vote. And Ali voted for a Catboy make it. Which means today we'll be making a space Catboy make it. And I wanted to make it an astronaut, honestly. But I feel like we'll go more in the astral direction with this one because of the whole can't make it thing. Which means I will need to... Space Catboy, yeah. I'll need to make... Well, honestly, I feel like I should start with the most obvious one. Which is cat ears. We will have to start with cat ears. In order to make cat ears, we need to get the shape right. That's the main thing. I feel like just the shape alone should actually work pretty well. But in order to get the shape right, we'll... Hi there, Mr. X, welcome! Hi, welcome to the Make It Making stream. Well, technically it's a double stream. Make It Making stream and Flame showing lab stream, but Flame already shown as a lab, so now we're just stuck with Make It Making stream. That was really cool. Okay. The black triangles, by the way. Oh, that's just a camera thing. So this is the camera, basically. Like, and the black triangle just shows you which one's active. So I can go like this, and I can see it's the camera. Okay. In order to make the Catboy make it, we first need the ears. Make it testosterone levels an all-time low. What do you mean all-time low? What does being a cat have to do with testosterone levels? I mean, you're ridiculous. Okay. There's gonna be a lot of explaining to do for the people who join the live stream for the next 10 days. Okay. I just need to get the shape right, that's it. I feel like once I get the shape right, it should walk all by itself. I'm an idiot, I should just do it on the y-axis. So yeah, y-axis and y-axis. That already feels like the shape is right, actually. We need a tail. Oh, no, no. Just the ears, thank you. I feel like just the ears are sufficient. I'm gonna regret this. It's girly, I think she's gonna say. So what? I won't let the haters get to me. Alright, let's go down. There we go. No, are they going down for the space element? I feel like, well, no, it's not gonna be an astronaut, okay? I wanted to make it an astronaut, but we can't really because of oh, this is gonna be great. And look at that, I just want to show love. Hi, Alexandra. Hi, welcome. For your videos, please continue. Well, thank you so much, and I will continue. You've joined us at a pretty weird time, because I need to be more pointy. You think? I'm regretting my life choices at this point. Maybe you decided to make a mod for me? Not really. I haven't given much thought. Make it white and pink. No, it's gonna be astral. That's gonna be color theme because of the space thing. What would actually just two of them look like? Because I can't make them just walk. They don't have to be detailed. They just have to be. Do you know about quantum numbers? I think it's quantum chemistry related stuff. I don't know much about chemistry, so yes, I do know about quantum numbers. I made a video about them. The video about electron. Basically, that's basically about quantum numbers. Except spin. No spin in that video. I'm not the biggest fan of spin. Is it too late to say that I regret this, by the way? The problem in this case mostly is, well, there's more than one problem. Oh yeah, of course, I need to apply this. That's for 3 years actually, that's a common known fact. I'm sorry, I'm not much into pop culture. By the way, how's life and how's your caffeine addiction? It's very good, thank you. Saki, no. Oh, okay. You know what? I'm just gonna go to best comments, post what you just said, Sakit, and add a message. We need a Sakit only moderator. Just yep. Okay, well then, can't we make it? A space can't we make it? Of course. In order to make a space can't we make it, okay, I didn't put much thought, did I? I know how to make a space make it. It's the cardboard part that I struggle with. I'm bad with making organic stuff, and I don't feel like this is cardboard enough, you know? In order to make it work, pun intended. cat is in the helmet. No, no, no. It can't be an astronaut at this point. It's a space make it. We could do it differently. What we'll do is we will take the ice. Like this. What's the material on them? Okay, it's 4. Correct? Apparently, okay, good. Then we'll go to shading, and we'll make a space texture. Yeah, we'll make a space texture for the for this one. So, in order to make a space texture, we'll need a noise texture. Color will input into a color ramp like this, and then emission strength. Putting on cat ears is the manliest thing to do. Precisely. Sahit on the moderator was that. That's someone to just take care of Sahit. The burning fire of hatred in his eyes. Precisely. And then we're gonna need the second color ramp. We're actually gonna do it the same way we did the other space texture. I don't even remember where it was, some sort of animation. Which is to say this, and then right here into hue saturation value, except you will go into the color. No, you'll go into the value. Color will be red. Everything at 1. It's easy to edit this way. And then like this. No, it looks more like it. Okay, then a bit more forward with. Microphone! Are we better? We good? I feel like we're good. Because I learn hours a day, their whole life been like sleeping. I wish I was that lucky. Yeah. Okay, so we want to go from 0 to half. Got it! So, in order for it to go from, well, mostly from 0 to 3, in order for it to go from 0 to 3, do it like this. That's pretty nice texture, isn't it? Because that's what I see a lot. So basically, Mr. X, what you're saying is your evidence is that you made it up. And then we're gonna take this texture, go to hair, pop it in, and then right here the mission. No, Z is the one we're looking for, right? Or Y? Which one are we looking for? Multiply power, maybe? Right here. Okay, I'm sorry, what now? Okay, so it's not Z, it's not Y. Oh no, wait, I'm plugging them in wrong. Okay, so it's... Yeah, X is what we're looking for. If we do X multiplied by Y, like this. Okay, that's a bit better. Make it, I'm excited for GTA 6. I actually am. Yeah, I think it's gonna be solid. Did I mention that I hate this? But code as well. I will, don't worry. Don't worry, I will. Maybe they need to be... Funny enough, maybe they need to be more straight. Like this. Okay, that does work better. No, a bit smaller. This one a bit... like this. This one a bit more like this. Why is it so difficult? Make cat ears, for goodness sake. Hide the lamppost. I'm gonna play in the stream, that would be awesome. Maybe, probably. Probably, yeah. I think Kali is with it on the helmets of the person make it, but there will be no helmet. What helmet am I gonna put it on? I'm not just gonna make a random helmet just for the cat ears. That wouldn't fit. Oh boy, that certainly looks. I have an idea. Let's make let's select the eyes. Oh, from looks much better from the inside. I would like to retract that statement. Oh, hold on, what kind of mess is this? Oh, what kind of mess did I do with this one? That's a random vertice, by the way. I sometimes forget just how much of a mess this whole thing is. Not the mask, this model specifically. Okay, let's just do new group assign, then that group select the ones on the right. Okay, crime against nature, I get. Okay, got it. Okay. 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 Make it. Give recommendations how to start with music theory. I don't know. Just like vanilla science. Just look it up. There's an awesome suit for the space cat will make it, huh? Yeah. No, hi the Bull Lightning. Hi, welcome. I have an idea. An idea. Wolf 3D hair. Where is it? There. Now, can I? Yes, I can. Sweet. So what we're gonna do now is. Okay, I'm just gonna walk. So now is we're gonna select all of this inside. Like this, then delete this loop. I'm not proud of this, by the way. Do you ever struggle with procrastination, Make It? Yeah, I actually... Well, I don't know if I should say did or do. That's actually why I stream so much of my work. I kind of can't procrastinate if I'm doing it on stream, you know? So that's pretty useful. Okay, assign, and the difference will be that right here instead of a base color we'll have RGB. You did not just make that. I did just make that, in fact. I did. I did. I did. I unfortunately so very did. I so very so I so very did do that just now. Okay. Oh, one that is going anywhere. Oh, did you not? Hold on. Automatic weights? Nope. Nope. The answer is no. Okay, how about we by those parts? No, not by those parts. By selection, and we go right here, and we go into pose, select. That bone was made for Cadius. Okay. Go to object. Bone. Where'd you go? Oh, damn it. Why are you always like this? You, object, apply everything. Where are you going? Why are you going over there? It doesn't make any sense. Okay, so we're just moving out of the way. Cool. So instead what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this, we're gonna parent it dead. And now... Any other ideas? Anyone? Anyone's got anything? Anything we should do maybe to this model? Anything? Any other better ideas? Maybe any recommendations? Really, any at all would be better. right here we'd like to change it up actually a bit. So we want these to be white. Like this. Then we want them to be even smaller. Then we want this to be... that's fine. Hadekrish. Do bulky make it, bodybuilder make it. If you're patient you can decide. Why is it just only one or the other? It doesn't make any sense. Okay, so noise texture would give us this. But noise texture of a color ramp. Is the scale too great? It might be too great actually. Okay, let's think about this again. So right here we have one, which we want to be the underlying general... There, we want it to be the underlying color, like this. And then we have this, which we want to be the stars. Why is it always white? Doesn't make any sense either. Flames loves you. That's true. That's true. You still have the human ears. Yeah, I just have 2 sets of ears. Don't kink shame. Oh, I regret saying that actually. Oh. Oh, it's merging them in a different way. You should have mentioned that. That's not the merge we want though. We just want to mix. Yes. There we go. Cool. Now, we don't want mix 3. We want lighten. No. Darken. Yes. Increase that strength. There we go. Now we're getting somewhere. And now we want them to be a bit smoother, so... hyperbolic sign, I think, would be good. I think you should put the cat ears where the human ears are. That would be just cursed. Okay, not hyperbolic sine, hyperbolic cosine. Not quite. Tangent. The edges are too sharp, that's my problem. I guess I could color ramp this. I want to refix the issue of edges being too sharp. Okay, let's take this, let's input it right here, and let's math multiply it by a lot. There we go. Make it by I'm gonna join. Have a good one. So keep on making bye. Bye, Colin. Have a good one. feel like we should remove the table at this point. Okay, not the entire table, just the table. Actually, maybe change the table. Like an astral table. Like a table in which the entire texture is this. Except, oh, that's a beautiful node walk. Too bad I'm gonna delete all of this. So like a table in which the emission is equal to this, except math, much higher math input. But then alpha is texture coordinate of the two, this thing and of this thing, and then distance. It looks kind of cool actually, thank you, finally. Was it generated in an object? I never remember. And then I think math divide is what we're looking for. So divide 1 by this and then plug it into the alpha. Absolutely not. Okay, so that's not what we're looking for. Generated object. Okay, not quite. Okay, this doesn't really help. Let's plug into strength. What's the coordinate of this, by the way? By space and time bending, make it the 3D slice of 4D cube in your hand. Maybe. No, you know what? No, I'm not doing this. I can just... I know exactly what I'm looking for because I've done it before, so I can just open up the thing I've done before. That'll be so much easier. This right here, no, that's the mapping node. This right here, however, yes, that's the one we're looking for. Why'd you paste into... Okay, give me this, and I mean copy, like this. Paste? No, you're pasting the wrong thing. Cool, I guess I could just make the nodes myself. So, texture coordinate, like this, object into distance, this way, and then this into divide, and then 1, and this into a color ramp, like this, and then this into the emission strength, and then this right here into the laptop. Not working. Cool. Good to know. Good to know. Good to know. I'm just glad to know. Real glad to know. This is actually exactly what I'm looking for. I guess I can just do it manually. And then when you want this, you want it to be much smoother. How would I smooth it out? That's a good question. Well, right here we have it going from... Actually, if we input it through a color ramp, it's going to be going from 1 to 0, which should be convenient. So right now, I can increase the size like this. And then I can range map range, and we can map a range from 0 to 1 like this to no. Floating table slice, it's hard, yeah. The only problem is not exactly what I'm looking for, and I'm thinking how to turn it to something I'm looking for. I'm basically looking for... That's the problem. If I reduce it, it's going... That doesn't make any sense. Minimum 0 to maximum. If I reduce it like this, all of a sudden everything appears. Because subtract 1 from... I see. So we can just also remove this, actually, and do it from 1 to 0. Yeah. This is making it sharper. Ooh, that's a pretty sweet effect, isn't it? I kind of like it. And just like that, you can have an appearing table. I'm actually curious. Now let's see how it looks. Change from linear to something else. I feel like it's decent. It doesn't look spacey, it just looks... It's not space enough. It looks good, but it's not space. We're looking for space. And there is one way I can make space. A very simple way, actually. In fact. There's one easy way for me to make space happen. That's what I'm looking for. And then multiply. Like this precisely. And then the same thing except with... Wait, if I do y, it's gonna be the... No, if I do y, it's gonna be screwed up. So what we need is we need the same thing for y. I meant z, of course. I meant to plug it in before actually testing it, and I meant y. Yes. And then we want to multiply both of these together. I'm sorry, what now? Y isn't working? That doesn't make much sense. Right here we have a 1. Right here. Oh, because I need the color on. That's right. It's obvious. There we go. Okay, still not working. It's fine. Well, that doesn't make much sense either. Alright, so we have this multiplier, which looks like this. Then we have this one. If we multiply them together, what should happen is we should get rid of all of this and all of this at the same time. The problem appears to be the fact that this multiplication is going too far, I think. Which means what we need then is we need a color ramp. Like this. Okay, no. Why is it so annoying? I just want the edges to be gone. Oh, wait, there's a much easier way to do it, actually. Distance. Not displacement, distance. Distance, yeah, from 0. Not sine, just straight into it. Is this a space enough of a make it? Geonodes is annoying sometimes. These aren't geometry nodes, these are shaded nodes. You know what I think we're missing right here? I think we're missing... First of all, it's not... No, it's good actually. What we're missing is we're missing the emission on the very edge. So it's hard to recognize that as the edge. In order to get the emission, what we need is we need to add a 0 for now, but then right here, we need to input this into color ramp, like this, multiply it by, that's the vector, multiply it by a really big number, it's gonna get really bright, there we go, but then, once we readjust this, yeah, and then divide it by negative, whatever, just plug this in. It's perfect. The stream starts like if time presented. That makes sense. I am rendering at, you know, the end. And you know what? Oh, I have an idea. That's a good idea, actually. We're gonna go back, and right here we'll have this at 2.5, and then once we go to the next frame, this is gonna shrink. Absolute perfection, yeah. Oh, great! Oh, great, great, sick. Good. It's good. It's good. It's good. I'm happy with it. I'm actually surprisingly really am. I mean, it's a good looking make it. It's a good looking make it. Nothing to be. It's good. It's good looking. It's good looking. Ashwin, get ready for me to rock your world now. 535. What's the day? Good. It's good. I'm happy with this. I'm happy with this. Construction hard. Well, not anymore. Hello everyone. That's such a drastic change. Oh wow, that's a drastic change. Okay, well that's good. Cool. Hi there. Hello everyone. Welcome to another live stream. This is awful. This is so my goodness. Okay, well. Oh, I am tired. It hasn't really been a lot of work, but I'm still tired after doing this. Wow. Pasting stickers. Is that not enough space for you, really? Can't you see all the space behind Make It? Oh my goodness. I'm not gonna sleep. I'm mentally tired, not physically. And even if I was physically, I'm just. There's infinite space behind me, yeah? Analytically accurate. I'm done. Actually, yeah, we're done with the stream. I'm done. I'm done. No. Use news as you age. I mean... yeah, we're done with this stream for now. I'm gonna go walk in the videos and that's it. That's it. I'm gonna send this to Ali and Quant, ask them if they are happy with what they created, and I blame them. And for now, I suppose that'll be it. Thank you everyone so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye.